Monetization isn't just about making money, it's about shaping user experience, and that means it affects ASO too. In this lesson, you'll learn how different app monetization models influence App Store optimization outcomes like retention, reviews, and visibility, and how to pick the model that supports both growth and revenue. Why monetization impacts ASO. App Stores reward quality and engagement. That includes retention over time, uninstall rates, ratings and reviews, conversion from page view to install, and your monetization model shapes how users experience value, which directly impacts all of the above. Model 1, freemium, free with in-app purchases. This is the most ASO-friendly model because it removes friction at install, lets users explore value before paying, creates a larger base of users for social proof, reviews, and ratings. It works best when you have strong core features that hook users early. Your upsell is tied to clear frequent value moments. You combine it with smart prompts to rate the app after value is delivered. Pro tip: avoid gating your best features too soon. Retention and reviews will drop. Model 2, subscription-based. Subscriptions are great for revenue and long-term engagement if handled right. They support ASO by incentivizing updates, which stores reward, improving retention when users stay for access, building high LTV cohorts for custom product page targeting. But they can hurt ASO if the paywall appears too early. Users feel tricked into trials. Cancel flows are clunky. Always communicate value clearly. Use freemium trials and feature teasers to balance acquisition with conversion. Model 3, paid apps upfront purchase. This model creates friction and limits install volume. Paid apps tend to rank lower organically, receive fewer reviews, struggle with keyword visibility. Only choose this model if you're in a niche with low competition and high purchase intent. You have strong word of mouth or editorial promotion. You offer something clearly premium, like pro tools or unique IP. Otherwise, consider bundling value in a freemium or subscription version. Model 4, ad-supported. Free apps with ads can generate revenue, but the user experience must be handled with care. They support ASO if ads are optional, rewarded, or skippable. UX remains smooth and frustration-free. You monetize high DAUs with low friction. They hurt ASO when ads interrupt early onboarding. Reviews complain about spammy experience. Users churn before delivering a rating. Use ads strategically and segment users. You can always upsell an ad-free experience later. Final thought: the right monetization model is the one that fits your value and supports sustainable growth. If your model drives retention, delivers early value, and respects user trust, it will naturally support higher ratings, more reviews, stronger retention, better rankings. So ask yourself, is your monetization helping or hurting your visibility? Because in ASO, user value equals algorithm value.